Hey everyone, welcome back to Did You Know, where we uncover the truths about love, relationships, and intimacy. Let's talk about something a lot of guys wonder. Turning a woman on isn't just about physical touch. It's about emotional connection, trust, anticipation, and chemistry. If you want her to feel horny and crave intimacy with you, you need to understand how to engage her mind, emotions, and body respectfully. Let's break it down, step by step. 1. Emotional foreplay. Women often feel turned on when their emotional needs are met. So start outside the bedroom, compliment her genuinely. Listen when she speaks. Make her feel seen, safe, and desired. Emotional connection is the true foundation of deep sexual arousal. Emotional safety equal to physical desire. 2. Build tension, not pressure. Don't rush. Tease her mind with slow, suggestive flirting. Whisper compliments. Let your touches be light and lingering. Text her during the day with things like, "I can't stop thinking about how amazing you looked last night." It's about anticipation, not expectation. Seduction is a slow burn, not a sprint. 3. Non-sexual physical touch. Start with non-sexual touches that build comfort and trust. Touch her lower back, gently stroke her arm, play with her hair. These small gestures build up to more passionate touch. Let her feel the spark rise naturally. Every small touch is a message. I want you. 4. Use your voice and eyes. Speak in a lower, slower tone. Look into her eyes with quiet intensity. Your gaze should say what your lips haven't yet. I crave you. This builds an atmosphere of erotic tension. Eye contact equal to silent desire. 5. Mental stimulation equal to physical stimulation. Talk about fantasies, not just yours but hers. Ask what she likes, what she dreams of. This isn't about dirty talk right away. It's about helping her open up sexually in a safe, judgment-free zone. Mental turn-ons make the body follow. Turn on her mind to turn on her body. 6. Confidence, not cockiness. Confidence is sexy, not arrogance. Be bold, but always check in. A simple whisper like, "Can I kiss you here?" can make her melt, because it shows you care about her pleasure, not just your own. Respect equals to the sexiest thing ever. 7. Know her pleasure zones. Explore her body slowly. Kiss her neck, ears, inner thighs, and lower back. Use your hands and mouth with care. Pay attention to how she breathes, how her body responds. Go slow. Let her guide you with her moans and movements. Pleasure her, don't perform on her. 8. Let her lose control. When a woman feels fully seen, desired, and safe, she lets go. She gets wet. She moans. She wants you. Not just for your body, but for the way you make her feel. That's when she gets horny and wild. Not because you forced it, but because you earned it. She'll go wild when she feels free. Turning her on isn't about tricks. It's about connection. Give her your attention, not just your hands. Make her feel like the only woman in the world, and trust me, she'll crave every inch of you. Thank you for watching Did You Know? If you liked the video, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, stay healthy and safe.